Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are getting ready for round 2 of USDC Pro-Am Formula D circuit. Yeah, that's what we're doing. It's been a wild week. We got 2J stuff continuing in the background, constantly going on. We did get a body kit for the new car. Shout out to JP Fiberglass. He hooked us up with this cool kit, as well as some other kits for some of our other cars, so we'll get to that eventually. We are still waiting on a motor. For the most part, the chassis is almost there. We're waiting on very minuscule things. Diff, trans, got to pick that up from Dan soon. We have the motor pretty much ready, and then just get to it and make it work. But right now we're getting the car aligned. Trailer's pretty much prepped. If you've been watching the channel, you've probably seen that Civic I was building. That's on the dyno. That's pretty positive. We got our man Car Mobile Alignment, also known as Alien Spec, doing the alignment right now. He comes through for every event we do. Pretty much anytime we're testing, anytime we're going to comp, anytime we're doing pretty much anything with the car, he's a call away. We hit him up. We'll drop his information in the description below, so you guys can hit him up if you guys watch this video and you guys want to get some alignments done. He does come to you, so very nice thing to have. Car is ready. We're hoping for the best. We're running turn 17 layout at Sebring, which is actually one of my favorite layouts. I've been on the sim and I feel pretty good. So hopefully we'll hit inner clips this time. But that's what's going on. KFRS is pretty much almost there. Show you guys a little bit of that. Good thing the old girl got a new body kit. Or the other car did. But this thing looks really cool. Got this nice little billet bracket. It's got no coils right now, so that's why it's kind of just dangling in there. But pretty excited about the KFRS. If you've been watching the channel, once again, you have sure seen this car go from one color to another color to where it's at now, and it's really cool. We're excited to see Natalie shred this thing. She's got Wise Fab now, so all the angle. Things are just pretty gnarly. Can't wait. 10,000 RPM. Precision turbo. Ooh. Check out the Civic. We've actually spent a long time building this car. Originally, we had the plan of going all-wheel drive. Customer decided he wanted to keep it as factory as possible, so the car is running a sleeved B series. One of our built head packages, Precision Next Gen 6266. This car will retain AC, power steering, all the factory amenities, factory computer. Pretty much will be a factory car with a fully built motor, fully built trans, full turbo kit. We're on the dyno. We're about to do a base map and start to break in on it and make some jam hopefully soon. This thing at 40 pounds of boost should make right around 800, so it's a pretty cool car for an elderly person with AC. This car is super mint. The attention to detail my team has done on this car is very impressive. Everything has nice PTFE lines, DEI heat wrap, vibrant clamps, skunk tube hardware and lines. It's got radium fuel rail, vibrant products all over the place. It's a really cool car. Turbo smart wastegate and blow off valve. We're excited. Lots of attention to detail. We're gotta make some custom lines for the AC, but that's not really necessary for the dyno right now. But we're gonna get to it. Got the TEs on it. Lit. Not everything's a Honda. We have 2 black Z06s here at the shop right now. We got this twin turbo, big boy, Z06 Jam Monster. This thing is probably gonna make a lot of jam. Plus we have another Z06 inside, which is NA, makes close to 700 NA. That's a really badass setup too. It's ironic, we have 2 black Z06s, which never had 2 of them at the same time, so it's really cool.
like when a fellow gives you that face where it's gonna clear.
Over here struggling.
Make for great content.
Look how retarded this guy is.
The drama.
Hey,
Oh my god.
pick that up. Alright, that could be here in a few.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Got our shipment in 2 days before the event. We're ready to rock. We're testing 285s this weekend and we're super excited. Use the discount code WillieEspinosa247. Get yourself some savings. Shout out to Tire Streets and etc. See you later. But let's get back to it and we will see you guys at Sebring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Let's get it. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Got our shipment in 2 days before the event. We're ready to rock. We're testing 285s this weekend and we're super excited. Use the discount code WillieEspinosa247. Get yourself some savings. Shout out to Tire Streets and etc. See you later.